Hello friends, this is your girl Hani, and today I'm gonna be sharing with you how I do my daily routine. To get that perfect skin, we have to look after our skin and make sure that we exfoliate regularly and dehydrate to get that smooth and glowy look. First, I'm gonna be applying the multitasking 4-in-1 cleanser. This helps the skin feeling exfoliating and looking brighter. With the cleanser, I'm going to be using the Mary Kay Skin Invigorating Sonic Skincare System. This removes 4 times more impurities than hand cleansing, so it's really important that we use a brush head to get rid of the impurities. After cleansing the face, I'm going to exfoliate using the microdermabrasion plus, which helps fight fine lines, refine pores, and achieve beautiful smooth skin immediately. I'm going to leave the exfoliating scrub for about 5 minutes, and then I'm going to rinse it off, and I'm going to pat dry my face with a microfiber face towel. And after that, I'm going to apply the moisture renewing freshener, which is going to help me soften, hydrate, and prep my skin for the application of makeup. After that, I'm going to apply the pore minimizer, which is going to help me reduce the appearance of pores while improving the texture of my skin. I'm also going to apply the nourishing oil. This revitalizes the skin with the quick absorbing oil containing a blend of almond oil and sesame seed oil. I'm also going to apply the antioxidant vitamin E plus C to define. I'm also going to apply the vitamin C plus E to help brighten, firm, and glow the skin. I'm also going to apply the eye cream, which is going to help improve signs of aging and fatigue, and it will improve the appearance of dark circles, under eyes, puffiness, and fine lines, and it will keep my under eye moisture up to 12 hours. Then I'm going to apply the day cream, which contains SPF 30. This will help neutralize and free radicals and moisturize my face for the next 12 hours. Skin preparation is very important to get that smooth, glowy look before you apply your makeup. So please do your routine, your skin routine, and don't forget, your skin routine is for the night, day and night. So please guys, and always choose what works for you. So we have a great range of products for everybody's needs, whether you're dark skinned, whether you're dry skin, oily skin, mixture of both, if you're sensitive skin, and if you just like naturally herbal things. We all have products for all skin types. So before I apply my foundation, I'm going to apply a little bit of CC cream, which is also contains the SPF, which is going to help me protect my face from the sun and the UV lights. So yeah, and I forgot to mention that I'm going to use the white tea and citrus satin lips to scrub my lips. First, I'm going to use a sugar scrub to get rid of all the dead skins, and then after that I'm going to apply the lip balm to give moisture to my lips and make it soft. Sorry guys, before I apply the CC cream, first I'm going to apply the foundation primer to help me reduce and minimize the appearance of pores and to be a base for my foundation. Then after that I'm going to use the CC cream. After I use my CC cream, I let it sit on my face for a little while. Then I'm going to use the foundation. So I don't like too much, I don't do heavy makeup on a daily basis, so I just do light makeup, but the base is between medium to full, medium to light. Yes, my base is always between medium to light by the time I add the powder and the contouring, the bronzer and the blush, so everything comes together. So I'm normally not a person who likes a full coverage all the time, so I just do light coverage, light to medium coverage. So yeah, and I forgot to mention that I'm going to use the white tea and citrus satin lips to scrub my lips. First I'm going to use a sugar scrub to get rid of all the dead skins, and then after that I'm gonna apply the lip balm to give moisture to my lips and make it soft. Sorry guys, before I apply the CC cream, first I'm going to apply the foundation primer to help me reduce and minimize the appearance of pores and to be a base for my foundation. Then after that I'm gonna use the CC cream. After I use my CC cream, I let it sit on my face for a little while. Then I'm going to use the foundation. So I don't like too much, I don't do heavy makeup on a daily basis, so I just do light makeup, but the base is between medium to full, medium to light. Yes, my base is always between medium to light by the time I add the powder and the contouring, the bronzer and the blush, so everything comes together. So I'm normally not a person who likes a full coverage all the time, so I just do light coverage, light to medium coverage. So yeah. And also to mention that I did my eyebrows off camera. Sorry about that. To be honest, I couldn't find my pencil, so I ended up using eyeshadow to do my eyebrows. But sorry about that. Next time I'll make sure I have my eyebrow pencil. So after applying my foundation, then I'm going to. Sorry guys, after I did my eyebrows off camera because I couldn't find my eyebrow pencil, so I did it off camera. So after I do my eyebrows, I highlight my brow bone with the concealer, and then after that I do a light eyeshadow, because it's just like this is my normal day-to-day kind of going to work, or just just like normal daily kind of makeup look. So I just chose a light eyeshadow with no glitter or anything like that, just pure matte, just to complement my face for the day. So after doing my eyeshadow, and then I put my eyeliner, I did a wing eyeliner, and then after that I put my lashes on, and after putting my lashes on, then I go ahead and do my face makeup, which is my base makeup. So then I applied the the primer first. Then after the primer is set on my face, then I did apply the CC cream. And after applying the CC cream, then I did apply the Time Wise matte foundation. After applying the foundation, then I went on to do my face contouring, which I used the Dual Stick. Is a new release from Mary Kay. Is a dual stick. It has a bronzer and a contour on the same side. Yeah, the duo stick is a cream bronzer stick. It's very easy to blend and it gives you that warmth glow for every look you're trying to create. So it's really nice. It's very velvety, easy to blend it out. After I did my contouring, I did use the Mary Kay gel cream blusher. Also, this like just blends so easy on your skin. It's so easy to use. You can use it with your fingers, you can use it with a brush, like, or you can use it with a sponge. It's up to you. So it's got different ways of using it. So after I do my blusher, I put my concealer on, my under eye concealer, and I let it sit for a little bit. Then I do like put the powder bronzer, a little bit of powder bronzer on top to give me more of a definition. And then I put a little bit of powdered blusher as well to set the underneath the creamy form of blusher. So while my when I finish with that, then I go back and do my concealer. I blend it out. After blending it out, I set it before I bake. So to set my concealer, I use the Sheer Mineral Pressed powder. So this is a lightweight and translucent powder, and it imparts a visible layer and it keeps you up to 8 hours coverage, and it absorbs all the oil. And then I set my face with a silky setting powder from Mary Kay, which gives me that smooth finish. So after completing my face makeup, then I just literally added my lips to bring the whole look together, and I used the matte liquid lipstick. It's a limited edition, and I used the Must Have Mauve for my lips because I didn't want something too strong, because I was going for a simple look just to complement the whole look together. So guys, this is my final look. I hope you guys like it, and just tell me, like, you guys can tell me any ideas of what you want me to do or what you want to see. So, and please like and subscribe and share. Thank you so much for watching. Really appreciate it. Thank you all.